Welcome to our complete guide on how to verify Bitcoin on your PayPal account in 2025. In this video, we will walk you through the importance and steps needed for a successful verification process. Before verifying Bitcoin, you need to ensure your PayPal account is set up for cryptocurrency transactions. Let's get started. Now, let's access the Bitcoin section in your PayPal app. Look for the cryptocurrency option in the main menu. Understanding PayPal's verification requirements for Bitcoin is essential. Let's go over what documents you will need. Next, gather and provide the required documentation. This often includes identity verification and address proof. After submission, you'll need to wait for PayPal's approval. Timeline can vary, so be patient. You can easily check the status of your verification request through the notifications section of your account. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth verification process. Double-check your documents, ensure you're logged into the right account, and keep an eye on your email for updates. Verifying Bitcoin on PayPal opens doors to numerous benefits, including easy transactions and protection against fraud. Finally, let's address some common questions about Bitcoin verification on PayPal. Stay tuned for the answers.